10. Disturbing AI breakthroughs coming in 2025. As we approach 2025, artificial intelligence AI is poised to bring about some truly astounding and unsettling developments. These advancements promise to revolutionize various aspects of our lives, but they also raise significant ethical, philosophical, and societal questions. Here, we explore 10 of the most disturbing AI breakthroughs anticipated in 2025, delving into their potential impacts and the profound dilemmas they present. Autonomous lethal weapons. One of the most controversial advancements is the development of autonomous lethal weapons, or killer robots. These AI-driven systems can independently identify and engage targets without human intervention. While proponents argue they can reduce casualties by making precise decisions, the ethical implications are alarming. The potential for misuse in warfare and the lack of accountability in cases of malfunction or misuse pose significant risks to global security and human rights. Deepfake evolution. Deepfake technology, which uses AI to create hyper-realistic fake videos and audio, is expected to become even more sophisticated. This evolution threatens to undermine trust in digital media, making it increasingly difficult to distinguish between real and manipulated content. The potential for deepfakes to spread misinformation, manipulate public opinion, and damage reputations is a serious concern, highlighting the need for advanced detection and regulation mechanisms. Mass surveillance systems. AI-powered mass surveillance systems are becoming more prevalent, with governments and corporations using them to monitor populations. These systems can track individuals' movements, analyze behaviors, and even predict future actions. While they promise enhanced security and efficiency, they also pose significant privacy concerns. The potential for abuse in authoritarian regimes and the erosion of personal freedoms demand careful consideration and robust legal safeguards. Emotion recognition technology. AI-driven emotion recognition technology is advancing rapidly, enabling systems to analyze facial expressions, voice tones, and physiological signals to infer emotions. While this technology can enhance customer service and mental health care, its use in surveillance and marketing raises ethical questions. The invasion of privacy and the potential for manipulation based on emotional states are troubling prospects that require strict ethical guidelines and transparency. Predictive policing. Predictive policing, which uses AI to analyze crime data and predict where crimes are likely to occur, is gaining traction. While it offers the promise of more efficient law enforcement, it also raises significant concerns about bias and discrimination. Historical crime data can reflect societal biases, leading to disproportionate targeting of certain communities. Ensuring fairness and accountability in these systems is crucial to prevent exacerbating existing inequalities. AI in warfare. Autonomous drones. Autonomous drones, capable of conducting surveillance and executing attacks without human input, are becoming more advanced. These systems could revolutionize warfare by reducing the need for human soldiers on the battlefield. However, the ethical implications of machines making life and death decisions are profound. The potential for unintended consequences, escalation of conflicts, and lack of accountability in autonomous warfare demands urgent international regulation and oversight. Manipulative AI in marketing. AI systems are increasingly used in marketing to analyze consumer behavior and personalize advertisements. However, these systems can also manipulate consumer choices by exploiting psychological vulnerabilities. The ethical implications of such manipulative practices are significant, raising questions about consent, autonomy, and the balance of power between consumers and corporations. AI-generated content. AI-generated content, from news articles to social media posts, is becoming more indistinguishable from human-created content. This development threatens to flood the information ecosystem with AI-generated narratives, potentially manipulating public opinion and spreading misinformation. Ensuring the integrity of information and maintaining trust in digital media requires robust verification systems and ethical standards for AI-generated content. AI in employment. Job displacement AI advancements are leading to increased automation in various industries, resulting in significant job displacement. While AI can enhance productivity and efficiency, the economic and social impacts of widespread job loss are concerning. Addressing the challenges of retraining displaced workers ensuring economic stability, and rethinking the future of work are critical to managing the societal implications of AI-driven automation. AI and personal data exploitation. The exploitation of personal data by AI systems for profit is a growing concern. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of personal data to make predictions and decisions that affect individuals' lives. The lack of transparency and control over how personal data is used raises ethical questions about consent, privacy, and the balance of power between individuals and data-driven corporations. Establishing stringent data protection regulations and empowering individuals with control over their data is essential. Conclusion. The AI breakthroughs anticipated in 2025 hold immense potential to transform our world, but they also bring disturbing implications that demand careful consideration. From autonomous weapons and deepfakes to mass surveillance and job displacement, these advancements raise profound ethical, philosophical, and societal questions. As we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, it is crucial to establish robust ethical frameworks, regulatory mechanisms, and public discourse to ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests while mitigating its risk. The choices we make today will shape the future of AI and its impact on our world, making it imperative to approach these developments with caution, wisdom, and a commitment to ethical principles.